Welcome to Rosetta Hub. In this tutorial we will show you the Virtual Lab's lifecycle. We will use Ubuntu Virtual Lab as an example. Please make sure you are selecting the Overview tab, and that you are selecting the Workspaces and Labs perspective. Select Amazon Web Services as the cloud provider. Choose the region. For this tutorial we will choose Ireland. Under the Virtual Labs view, go to Ubuntu 20 Lab, right-click and choose Clone. Change the label and press Clone. A new icon will appear under the Virtual Labs view. Right-click on it and choose Update. Here you can update your machine settings. For example, the lab comes with a 8 GB memory. We are going to update it to 16 GB. Once you are done updating, click on the icon to launch the Virtual Lab. An Ubuntu icon will appear under Sessions. Wait until you see a green tick on the upper left corner of the Sessions icon. This will take between 2 and 3 minutes. Once the green tick appears, you can click on the session icon to open a connection to your Ubuntu Lab in a new tab. Click Connect. You are now connected to your Ubuntu Lab. Now we are going to install something in the lab. Firefox is not available, so we are going to install it. Now we have Firefox in the lab, we have to persist that. Let's go back to the Rosetta Hub console, right-click on the session and choose Create Machine Image. A new image for the Ubuntu Lab will appear under the View Images. It can take a few minutes for the image to be ready. You can share the lab with a user, a group or an organization that you manage. Let's share the new lab with a user. Right-click on the lab and choose Share. Add the user's login, press Share, then Done. The user can now access the lab and launch it. The lab will launch on the user's own cloud account. You can notice also that we have Firefox because the lab uses the new image with Firefox. Thank you for following this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye for now.